I'm at APF 2022 with Marcin from Wood-Mizer. Marcin, how are you enjoying the show so far?
Thank you. I'm enjoying the show. It's very nice, very good atmosphere, lots of people. It's the second day at our show. As you can see, the dominating color is orange because it is Wood-Mizer. So yes, we're having fun.
And what have you brought to your stand to show people?
Yes, we have a selection of machines. Our main product, so the sawmills, we have the LT70, one of the biggest machines in our stand. There's also LT40 that you can see right now behind us. For us, it's a legendary model. It's in 2022. It's the 40th birthday of this machine. So we are proud to still sell it to the customer, upgrade it from time to time, and still, offer the best machine actually in the market, proven, well checked, and appreciated by customers. We also have some smaller machines like LT20, which is right next to us. There's LX250. There's also one of the smallest, so LT15, and a static version. Besides, we have a Edger EG300. We also have a one molder planer machine, MP360, for making finished final products. There is some equipment for sharpening, for setting the blades, and also we have a slab miser with the auto feed function. So basically it means that you can just, after the adjusting the setting the configuration, you can just press the button and watch when it works.
You mentioned the LT40 being a legendary machine. What do you think makes it so special?
Well, first of all, it was one of those machines that made a breakthrough in the industry. In 1990s, at the beginning of 90s, it was the first such model machine on the market that enabled people to travel with the machine, go to the site where the sawmilling must be done. So it meant independence, freedom, a lot of opportunities for people for setting up their own businesses, and also it changed the industry. So from those heavy circular or frame sawmills, sawmilling factories could now convert to something lighter and more efficient. So actually many things that spoke for this machine at that time.
It's still going strong today.
Yes, it is. And this machine behind us, as you can see, it's been used. We're running some demos on it, and I can tell you that this machine has been already sold to a very important customer. It's actually somebody from the royal estate, so it is going to one of the castles, the royal castles in Scotland.
I look forward to hearing more about that. I wonder which one. Why do you think it's important for Wood-Mizer to continue to be at shows like this and let people see your machines?
Well, a sawmill, this is a specific product. It is best presented live in reality. So we would like customers to come over here, to take a look at it, to touch it maybe, to listen how it works. To smell the wood. This is a very specific product, so I think it is best presented in live, when you see it with your own eyes. That's why we want to be at the shows. We want to be in touch with the customers, our old customers, new customers, people who are just hesitating. So we are here to advise and to to be in touch with our clients.
Okay. Well, I think we're going to take a look at some of the machines working now. Marcin, thank you very much for talking to us.
You're welcome.